Hey guys, it's me, Deep Fried Dan, back in the culinary lab to do some deep fried videos for you guys. What we're going to do is we're going to spice up your summer barbecue a little bit. One of my favorite things for summer barbecue is ribs, for sure, like smoked, grilled, whatever, they're amazing. I've actually gone off the grill today. I did a sous vide method on this, like 175 degrees in a water bath for like 8 hours. Super tender, and I was actually able to pull the bones out of the rib, so that it's literally just meat. We're going to make a sandwich out of fried rib. So again, you guys have seen this before, but just your general batter. Start with a little flour, and then go straight into our egg. It's a giant rib. And then we're actually going to do this guy in some panko breadcrumbs, just hopefully give it a little bit more crunch. No need to really seal in anything, so batter is not really required here. We're just more going for texture here. Everything's seasoned too all the way through, so seasoning in your flour, seasoning in your bread, seasoning in the egg even. Alright, let's give this a shot. Alright guys, it looks perfect. Look at that rack. Let's plate up. Let's give our knockoff fried rib sandwich a try. God, this thing is massive. Attempt to cut down the middle first. It always helps if you use a butter knife. You want like something super dull so that you smash everything on the way down. It's definitely the best way to go. Woo! That looks pretty good. I don't think I could even get my face around this. Excellent. The rib is really good. You get the pickle in there. Nice buttered white bread. Super good summer barbecue sandwich. Alright guys, so on the real, I got a lot of complaints that my food is not very healthy. So I decided to fight back to the critics, give you guys a nice fresh like wedge salad type of thing. So what we have is a little fresh wedge of iceberg lettuce here. Nice and cool. Some blue cheese chunks, some pieces of rendered off bacon, and some half cherry tomatoes. So we'll go ahead and plate this up for you guys, show you how to do it. So we put our wedge first, a couple pieces of blue cheese. I like it big too, nice and chunky, why not? Bold. And a couple tomatoes. The only thing I did forget is some dressing. Be right back. Alright guys, so I found our dressing. What the? It's been deep fried. This is an outrage. No, I'm just kidding. If you guys didn't think I was gonna do a salad, come on. Gotta fry it. So fried my nice wedge lettuce here, fried some tomatoes, fried my blue cheese, and I even fried the bacon. It's the best part for sure. Alright, let me show you guys how to plate it. So we're gonna go straight with our iceberg, a couple little blue cheese, nuggets, some tomato, yeah, a little bit of bacon on top, and then I did a homemade blue cheese dressing. Just gonna kind of spoon it over. Boom, there you go. Healthy, good salad. Alright, so let's give our wedge salad a try. And just goes to show you can still eat healthy and eat fried food. just has to be a salad inside. Just get a little bit of everything here. Some blue cheese, some lettuce, some bacon, some tomato. Way too big of a bite. It's really good actually. Still get the crunch on it. The lettuce actually stayed nice and cool on the inside since I only fried it very quickly. Salty bacon, tomato, really good blue cheese. Honestly, I like it. I dig it.